Good morning everyone, my name is Ikshita. Today I am going to tell about science experiment which taught in the class. First, take a jar and put lid, full jar, put a water, full and little bit of oil and start. I taking blue color into the water. I mix it out. I'm mixing. Oh, wait! I mixing.
Stir properly.
Color. Okay. I stir it.
Put the stick inside. Put the stick inside.
Oh no.
Mix.
Mixing.
Mix properly. Okay, give it to me.
I want. It is a walrus and it is a walrus. I putting in the water. I dipping this water.
Okay, you put the next animal.
It is a dolphin. I'm putting. Milk in the water.
That's okay. Then.
And it is a seahorse. And I
Sea cow.
sea cow and
Put it inside. Next.
Inside. It is a
Wait. We will reduce the water. Okay, then next. No, that's okay. Next.
And I'm putting the boat.
Okay. No, enough. Now, what do we have there? There, behind.
And it is a turtle. It is a bigger than this, and that's why it's not going.
Okay, you keep it outside. Next.
It is a cricket watching, and it is a mini, and it is a pirate.
Okay, now take the lid and close the bottle.
Okay, it's not.
You close it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. Bye.